What's up, guys? So today I'm here with the best hype woman in the game, Nicole. Today we're gonna be teaching you our version of, not the get up, the GIT up.
The GIT up.
The GIT up. It's kind of like a line dance, hip hop, country.
Country line.
Dance line.
Dance.
Move.
We're gonna teach you this dance step by step, little tutorial.
What we did is took Blanco Brown's version, his amazing dance, we leveled it up. Level up.
Turn around. Make sure to grab a friend, do it with them, post it, tag us. Maybe we'll repost you. Epic Dance Videos, at Epic Dance Videos, follow.
It's like she's done this before. Okay, professional.
Hit the bell,
Ooh, hit
subscribe.
the notifications.
Like the videos, comment.
Ooh, if you're ready, let's get it.
Let's get it.
Ooh, I like what you did there.
Let's get it.
First of all, we're not very good at lyrics, so we're gonna try to give you some of them, but don't hate on us if we get them all wrong. Okay, first thing you do, you're gonna do a two-step. Now, what we're doing is bringing our hands here, and then you're gonna go, So let's do just the feet first. So the feet are in front and behind, and then our arms are just going here and yeah, put it together. 6, 7, 8, two-step. Then we go, boom, and a cowboy buh.
Hold on, redo that.
6, 7, we're gonna do a two-step. And you're gonna go left, right, out, just like that. So this is cowboy boogie. I don't know what a cowboy boogie is, but today it's this. So you go pull, it's left, right, out, then you get a body roll back, boom, stepping, and then why don't you teach this next part because you're better at it.
Okay, you're gonna scuff your right leg. We're gonna get up and then kind of circle your head while you circle your body and twist around. The lyric is spin around. There it is.
Then it's gonna go tap, tap, and it's like a quick little, so your leg is going in, out, and your left arm comes up on the second one. So it's like in, out, and then what's your right arm do? You just kind of like, yeah, a little tap, tap. So it's 7, turn, tap, tap. And then you're gonna go hold down. You're gonna go push, push 3 times, and hit. That's gonna make you go like a puppet. Then you're gonna jump out to your heels, click. You're gonna go, I can't balance on my heels. Oh. The microphone just fell off. ASMR dance tutorial. If this is pleasing to your ears, like and comment and subscribe. Okay, if you guys want more ASMR videos, comment below. Okay, back to the tutorial. So after you jump on your heels, you're gonna go right, left, then your right knee is gonna go in, out, body roll up, you're gonna yell, yeah, and then you're gonna catch it, click. Nice. So when we do this fast, this part's a little tricky, so from hold down, da-da, you go push, 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 and hit, heels out, da-da, right leg up, boom, and catch.
Yeah, it just keeps going, so you just gotta push through it.
That's like advanced section.
Yeah.
If you guys got that, then you can definitely do the rest. And you can always make a modified version too. So you can go here and kind of like he does in the video, you could just come in and then just roll it up, and kind of bounce off of it. So feel free to adjust that. All right, let's try from the top up to there. 5, 6, 7. You're gonna do the two-step and a cowboy boogie and a and spin around and a and yeah. Hey, I don't know if those are the right words, but that was the right timing, something like that. All right, now he's gonna say something about to the left. So you're gonna dip with this right shoulder, you're gonna go down, 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 down. You're just bringing this foot across. Then you're gonna clean your shoes, roll up. And then you're gonna take it to the right 2 times. You're gonna go right and right. He's gonna say, take a sip. So you're just going over your face, left arm, right arm down. Then same thing, roll up. So this is gonna kind of have like a rhythm. He's like, to the left and shoom, right, take a sip, shoom, yeah. Then you can do this 2 ways. Either do the same thing, or I'll show you how you can partner it if you're doing a duet. You're going head, body, and then you're gonna push your hip around like this. So what I do when I do this with Nicole is I go boom, 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 and I kind of pull her back. And then we do the same thing here, push around. You're gonna come over, press down, looking down. Then you're gonna go whoop to your mouth. Then you're gonna go A, then you're gonna go and down. Ooh, let's get it. That's half the dance right there. That's the chorus. And you guys just got one more part. So what should we do? From the top, maybe?
Top.
Put it together.
Yeah.
All right. She's the boss. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2-step and a and a something and spin around and a and a left and right. Take a sip and hips and 5 and yeah.
That was clean.
Oh,
okay.
I know, I didn't know if we were gonna be able to do it.
Right, I was like, come on, we can do it.
Come on, focus. All right, dope. So that's the first section. Now, second section, easy. From here, you're gonna just chill for a second. If you're dancing it with a partner, you can kind of have a moment like, hey, you ready? Okay, let's get it. He's gonna say to the left again, you're gonna go to the left, A, and then he's gonna say, to the left, to the left.
That's like my favorite part, honestly.
It's like when you have a hype man. Yo, I'm hungry. Your hype man be like,
Yo, I'm hungry.
yo,
Oh.
I was like, man, I could really go for a walk right now.
I could go for a walk.
Ooh.
Oh.
See? That's the vibe. That's the vibe.
That's
You gotta
the vibe
keep
right
that
there.
energy. So it goes, He goes to the left, to the left.
To the left, to the left.
To the right, to the right.
To the right. Yeah, so that time there's only one, so you
Yeah. Yeah. So let's go over it slow now. That beautiful hyping. You did to the left, to the left. Then you come out to go to the left, to the left. Then you go to the right, to the right. Then you take this foot back out to do a little setup. And then you're gonna hit a little low. Yeah. Yup. Then you go arm, 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 arm. And the feet are just going here, 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 here. It's like a real quick step, step, step. So we put that together. You did 1, you go right, left, left. Then you're gonna take this one and hit. Boom, he says something about put your left hand. You're gonna hit it again, smack. You're gonna come all the way over. He says put it on your side. You're gonna go here. And once it hits, you're gonna keep your hand where it's at. So boom, you're gonna go left, right, left, and back. So this concept is like a little weird. We call it fixed point because once this hits your hip, it stays there. And it's like you're literally walking a circle around your hand so that your hand is here and then your right hip comes to it. So when it gets here, you go ear, back twice, and then you want to teach this shoulder part?
Yeah, so all you do is just back, back. You're gonna stop right here and then roll your shoulder twice. You go roll, roll, and then there's another hype man lyric.
Roll your shoulder!
Roll your shoulder. You're gonna go, roll your shoulder.
Ah!
There you go, yeah. So you're going, roll your shoulder up. It goes slip and slide, right?
Yeah.
It goes like,
slip
and slide. You're gonna roll again, up, and then down, out, down. Then you're going point, point, point.
He says, my favorite part. All right, last step, and then we're gonna go back slowly and do it all together. You're just gonna play the guitar once, bow. Then you're gonna jump back on your left foot, play the guitar 2 more times, bow, bow. Then you're gonna ball change, that means right, left, and then you just repeat the chorus. Boom, hey, and you already know this part. It's exactly the same the second time through. The only thing that changes at the very end, instead of to the left, when you finish this last part here, we'll go over this one, it makes more sense, but all you're gonna do is go left and right, and left and right, and then you're gonna freestyle, and that's it, that's the whole routine. Now I think what we need to do is go over the second half, and then we'll put it all together from the top, yeah? So, second half was right after you look at your friend. 7, 8, 1, to the left, to the left.
To the left, to the left.
To the right, to the right.
To the right.
Good. Now take your left hand, click, boom, put it on your side. Put it on your side. Now take your shoulder, and slip and slide. Roll it and boom, and something, favorite part. Boom, 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 ta, ta, and repeat the chorus, A. And that's it. So start with the chorus, then you go into the verse, and then if you want to, you just go back through the chorus again, and then don't remember our change up after the next chorus is into this groove here. Are you guys ready for the get up? That's what we're about to do.
Let's get it.
You're supposed to hype man me.
Oh, that's what we're gonna do.
All right, from the top, guys, the whole thing. 5, 6, 7. We're gonna do the 2-step and a tune, and a and spin a dee ta ta and boom da and left and shoot right and sit and shoot and to the left, to the left,
To the left, to the left.
to the right, to the right.
To the right.
Now take your left hand, yeah, put it on your side, put it on your, hey, and shoulder, hey, and slide. My favorite part, boom, repeat the left, dun, and and dun, dun, and dun, and left hand, ta, swing, shoom, ti, and shoom, and zoom, bounce 1, and A, and A. Freestyle say, hey, yeah.
Wow.
Ooh.
Good.
Okay. All right, there you guys have it. The Get Up Advanced Hip Hop Country Line Dance version. We're also really good at ASMR, we think.
If this is pleasing to your ears, like and comment and subscribe.
Seriously, guys, we want to see your covers, and for real, I'm gonna try and set up some sort of crazy flash mob with it if enough of you guys learn it.
The Get It Flash Mob.
Challenge.
Yes.
I'm not even playing.
Yeah.
It's not a joke.
So cool.
It's not even a joke. Find us on Instagram, tag us in your covers. We'll put a hashtag down below, and of course, make sure you subscribe to the channel. When I say get,
You say it.
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 I say subscribe.